Imagine this. You open a website looking for a simple productivity app. You only need the basic features. Then you see 3 pricing plans: basic, professional, premium. The premium plan costs 5 times more than the basic plan. Your brain immediately says, "That's ridiculous." Then you look at the middle option. Suddenly, it feels reasonable, balanced, sensible, like the smart choice. But here's the problem. You never wanted the middle option. You only wanted the basic plan. Yet somehow, you upgraded. Welcome to the Wealth Psychologist. Today, we're exposing one of the most powerful psychological tricks in modern business. It's called the anchor illusion. And once you see it, you'll notice it everywhere. Number 1, your brain thinks relatively. Humans are terrible at judging value in isolation. We compare, constantly. A price means almost nothing by itself, but place another price beside it, and suddenly it feels expensive, or cheap. This is called anchoring. The first number becomes the reference point. Everything after that gets judged against it. Not against your budget, not against your goals, against the anchor. Number 2, the decoy effect. This is where things get sneaky. Sometimes companies don't expect anyone to buy the most expensive option. Its real job is psychological. It exists to make the middle option look attractive. Imagine 3 choices: small, medium, large. The large option exists mainly to push you toward medium. The expensive plan becomes a decoy. It changes your perception, not your needs. Number 3, your original plan disappears. This is the most dangerous part. Anchors don't just change prices, they change memory. You forget why you came in the first place. You stop asking, "Do I need this?" and start asking, "Which one is the best deal?" That's a completely different question, and it often leads to spending more. So, how do you defend yourself? Simple. Decide before you shop. Create a spending limit first. Define your needs first. Make the decision before seeing the options. Then, compare every choice to your original goal. Not to the anchor, not to the expensive decoy, not to the limited time upgrade. Your goal is not finding the best deal. Your goal is solving the problem efficiently. That's how rational spending works. The anchor illusion works because your brain was built for comparison. But awareness changes everything. Once you recognize the anchor, its power starts to disappear. And that's when you regain control of your money. If you enjoy learning the hidden psychology behind wealth, subscribe to the Wealth Psychologist. Because financial success isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding the mind that makes every financial decision. And we'll see you in the next one.